And we're back. Again, playing some more Scribblenauts. This is fun. I like this game, it's pretty fun. I wish I could be pretty big. How do I, oh, just, guess we're going to the capital city runoff. I wish I could be better at this. Whoa, oh, what? Okay. That's nice. You. I don't think that. The other fish keep making fun of me. Please help me scare them away. Scary. Nice though. You need to be nice. Oh, what? Why? I think it was this. Yeah. I'm ready for a new school to move in. Okay. Fish. There we go. No. Don't try to scare them. You need something? No. I can ride it? Let's go. Awesome. There must be a better way to dispose of this waste. Grenade. No, I want you to throw. No, wait, can I just like attack? Well, why don't you throw it? Attack. Whoops. Stop popping up. I don't need that update. Come on. There we go. Okay, we're back. As you kill. Alright, there we go. Now we should be good. Hope it doesn't hit the... Oh, it did. Oh! Fishy! No! Got rid of it. Wait, what? Did that not work? Is there more or something? Oh, come on. Save the lobster full else to eat. Alright, well, I don't know what happened with the other thing, but we'll just continue on. Oh, come on. There you go, sir. You have a chicken. Let's try the food. There we go. What? Can I ride you? Oh, I can. Oh, but you're slow. Wait, actually. Woo! What do you need? Be a bro. A bro, and help me break free. Okay. I just killed like everything. Holy crap. Tempo. I've always lived down here and don't know what I look like. Okay. Here you go, sir. That's what's on the inside. Is there anything else? Is that really... There's gotta be something else. No? Really? Okay, then I guess we're done here. Let me see. Oh yeah, because that one messed up. Yeah, we are. Okay. I thought we did the firehouse. Oh well, we'll go... Hyphen Heights. Okay, we'll go there. That was fun. Alright, here we go. Pet. Okay. What do you need? Help me befriend the birds. I did click adjective, right? No, I did not. Whoops, no. Not what I need. What? He ate... How? Oh, whatever. Just... Of course. Makes perfect sense. Bird can eat a lobster while it's alive. My bad. Before E, except after C, I think. Is what it was. I don't know. Did it work? Okay, well, I guess you just need bird seed. Whoops. Meant to click 2 E's. Befriend them. Alright, baseball player. Will you help me get our ball? Be careful not to touch the old man's lawn. I don't know. Could I add an wait. Oh, I could. Okay, okay. You're alive. Walk. Really? Okay, try I'll try something like this. What? Cup. Do you not? What? Random thing. Random thing. Oh, shoot. Move the screen back. How did I move? I need to move the screen. Wait, why is there a lot of... Oh, come on. Really? The screen is annoying me. There we go. I don't know how to get this. hope this works. It did, didn't it? Yes. Can I get back down, please? There you go. I'll step all over his lawn. Oh, yeah. How do you like that, old man? Harmless grandfather. Well, if he's harmless, why would he care? Whatever. Help the boyfriend on his big day. Ooh, cool, okay. Ba 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 ba. Is going on a special date with his girlfriend. Help him make things run smoothly. Helping him look presentable. Well, put it on first. I gave him a suit. A suit. What? Okay. Okay, whatever. Why does he need a car? She's just like 3 feet away. Why can't y'all? Whoa, that's gonna be pricey gas right there. You will love it. However, you cannot show up empty. Chocolate. Oh yeah, yeah. Here you go. Chocolate. This date seems to be going smoothly. Now help set the mood. Create something to make the dinner more romantic. Singer. There we go. That's what I meant. Violinist. What? Why was the waiter singing? I like this voice though. La 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 la! Hey look, it's a movie about them. She said yes to his proposal. Who do they need at the wedding? Priest, I don't know. I before E, I'm sorry. There you go. Apparently that worked. I gotta go all the way up there to get it. Can I shoot this? Apparently not. He just pick up. Duh 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 duh. Yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, star rights 9. Woo. Wait, I can go inside the school. Alright, I'll do that in a minute. What do you want? I need to go, but I'm afraid the deuce will hurt me. I didn't mean to click the R. Huh? Dealing with the deuce. What are you doing? Deuce. What do you want? Help me become a better basketball player. Tall and fast. Whoa! There you go. that guy? Oh, is that a coach? A cheerleader? What? This looks like one of those guys off of those things like, what is it? Dragon Ball Z or something. Yeah, one of those guys. Why would he? Okay. Don't, this game's, I don't know. I need to teach this dog a trick. Oh, whoops, no, I didn't mean to do that. To, stick. We can teach him to fetch. There you go. Good job. Okay, I think I got everything here. Yeah. What are you? When did you get here? Stop moving. Stop it. Hi. Entrepreneur? Okay. How? I don't know, but oh well. Inkwell High. Alright. This is a high school. That's great. What it? No. Okay, there really should be something to salute at the top of this pole. I'm American. No. They probably won't have a Georgian flag. No, they don't even know Georgia. Geologic flag. Okay. What? Okay. That works. I know what to give you. Woozy cushion. What's he doing? Oh yeah. This is the best way to play a trumpet. Or whatever. Yeah, I think it's trumpet. Well, I guess I'll just... Funny, class clown. I want to meet someone. I want to meet someone in the middle of their career. Okay. Test. Would this work? Whoa. Help the student win the science fair by creating a creature. Okay. Da. I like that look. It fits. Source of light. Sun. No, okay. Life. Lice. That's great. Can't wait to see what this turns out to be. Now it needs some heat to help it grow. Okay, well I just had the sun. There you go. Wow, it's starting to grow. Next I should give it something a creature body would need. Now it's really starting to grow. Next I should help integrate. Well, I don't know. Oh, what? Integrate into society. Something I'll never be. I don't know what she wants. Can you help me? Integrate it into society. Cap. Oh. What? Oh. Apparently it worked. What is that? Should give it a name. Place the letters on the canvas. Too bright. Way too bright. Way too bright. Let's see. Letters. Its name is N. There's the GF. I don't know what happened to the N. Try it again. What? I am doing that, woman. GIF. Awesome. You go, GIF. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Alright, continue. The bully. It's not safe for me to get out of this locker with the bully there. Don't hurt him. I know what will get his attention away. Nerd. Here's me. No, I'm just kidding. I don't look like that. Chase the nerd. Chase the nerd. Okay, maybe I can just make him nice. I don't know. There you go. Why do they dance weird? Why are you crying? Protect me from the dodgeballs. He needs alright, before he I gotta what? Ooh, I want that. Per day. Mine. Boy. Place something in the pot to serve the students for lunch. What pot? That pot? I said off. Oh man. Okay, yeah, that's a pot. I think you need a disco ball, right? I'll take some chicken. There you go. That's nice. Cracked, dirty playground. But this is a high school. Why do they have a playground? This playground, it needs more interesting attractions. That's the best playground ever. Let's see, did we get everything? No, there's one more. Where is it? Is it on the roof or something? Got that, got Got that, kid. What? Did we miss one or mess it up or something? One more. I don't see one more though. Oh, now I do. Place a critter in the class. For the class, I mean. Oh, okay. Gotcha. A critter. A steep mom. In the, oh. Okay, never mind. No, I don't want to. Ba ba da 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 ba 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 da 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 da. A bug, insect, spy. There you go, class. Helping hand, level complete. Ba da 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 da. Why do they all dance? He's still crying, but he's doing a happy dance. That's it for the day. That's for sure. Alright. Bye bye.